Hello, Showtimers! Today we are unboxing a What-4-2! Yay! And guys, you're watching What Did You Do to My Old What-4-2? Can you say to me? Or instead, we'll put wheels on this guy soon, and we'll show it sometime. It's an X-Racer What-4-2. This is a joke too. It's a What-4-4-2. That's why I said, what did you do to my 4-4-2? Nice joke, huh? Yeah. See-through. I said that. So this looks like a spider with engines crawling. And looks like it has a engine filler. Yep. And it has an X. X marks the spot. This is from Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Bye-bye, Showtimers. Thanks for this gift.